Welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the Aimco Pace Controller. It features a grip and go pneumatic handlebar that follows the operator's pace up and down, lean down to go down, move up to go up. The handlebar frame prevents the operator from having to bend down or reach up, keeping them in a comfortable ergonomic zone. Notice the paddle shifters for the vacuum on, vacuum off, and rotate function. Push the orange shifter inward with your right fingers to actuate the power tilt function. Use both thumbs to press the red shifters simultaneously to release the part. Well, thanks for watching our video. Remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you'll ultimately pay for it and not have it. Start the process now by going to aimcomfg.com and clicking the Get Quote button today.